Hey guys, and welcome to our video looking at multiples. So multiples and factors have some similarities, but they are obviously quite different. Multiples, we are trying to make our numbers bigger. Factors, we were trying to make our numbers smaller and find our bases. So multiples are numbers that result from a certain number being multiplied. So it's a bit of a mouthful, but we've got an example. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and they keep going on forever. Okay, you could ask for the 1,000th multiple of 4, 4,000. You could ask for the 4,100th multiple of 4, which is 16,400. They go on forever. Okay, so the first trick we're going to learn is how do we find multiples. This is really easy. We get our number. So in this case, we're going to look at the number 3. Okay, so we're looking at the multiples 3. We write 3 equals, we start at 3, and we just keep going. Okay, really straightforward. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'm going to put the dots because it's going to go on forever. What sometimes we may be asked, however, and this is where it takes a little bit more thinking, is for the a numbered multiple. So what this is saying is they might say, I want the 15th multiple of 3. All that's saying is what is the 15th multiple, or what is 15 times 3? So 15 times 3 is 45. So the 15th multiple of 3 is 45. So sometimes they will ask us for the 15th, or the 10th, or the 12th, or the 3rd, or whatever multiple of a number. All you need to do is multiply those two numbers together. The other thing we'll be asked for with multiples is for the lowest common multiple. That is what LCM stands for, lowest common multiple. Okay, and this is really important when it comes to fractions, but it's when we have two numbers and we're looking at their multiples and we're trying to find the lowest common multiple, the lowest number they both have in common in their multiples list, and we use that with our fractions. It helps us when we're adding and subtracting fractions. So we'll look at two numbers. We're going to take our 3s and we're going to take our 4s. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, we'll do that one, 15, 18. Okay, so those are the first 6 multiples of 3. We'll do the same for 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, and what we're doing is we're looking for a common multiple. We're looking for a number that both of these have in common. And the case is the lowest one they both have is 12. 12 is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. So the question said the LCM of 3 and 4, the answer is going to be 12. Okay, now there's some handy little tricks to finish you off. You can always multiply the two numbers together, and that will guarantee to give you a common multiple. It may not, however, be the lowest. Okay, the other trick I like to use when I've been asked to find the LCM, or the lowest common multiple of two numbers, is I write down the first 5 multiples for each number. I see if there's anything in common, and then I do the next 5. Rather than writing out 10, 20 multiples for a number, and then doing the same for the other one, do it in small chunks of 5, see if there's anything in common, and if not, move on. That way, you're not having to write a whole lot and finding a much smaller number that came in your number set earlier. So thanks for watching the video, boys.